Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and that everything is off to an amazing start. So let's get started. Today, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all a decorate with me video. I'm going to be just giving my bedroom a little bit of a fall touch for the fall season. I just want to change some things around because it's getting ready to be cooler weather and it's getting ready to be winter and everything. So I just want to kind of change things around, rearrange some furniture a little bit, just give everything a new kind of fall vibe and a new feel. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, then I would love for you to keep on watching. And if you're not part of the family or this is your first time ever seeing me, my name is Trina. And on my channel, I share everything that's home decor related and some lifestyle videos. So I would love for you to stick around and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I appreciate all y'all love and support. And I thank y'all for stopping in and spending a little bit of time with me. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to start by changing out my drapes in my room. I'm going to take down these gray charcoal colored drapes that I had up, and I'm going to put in just a lighter all white sheer drape. I had these drapes from I purchased these from IKEA, and I just had them in my linen closet. So I've been making sure that I try to shop my home first and use things that I already have. That way I'm not buying a bunch of new things. But I wanted this room to be really comfortable, really relaxed, because when I think of the fall season and the winter season, I just feel like it gives off that comfy, cozy kind of vibe, and that's what I wanted to give off with my room. So I definitely wanted to feel nice and relaxed and luxe and give off that nice, beautiful, comfy, cozy kind of vibe. Okay, you guys, so now with the curtains all hung, this is what the drapes are looking like so far. They have a little bit of wrinkles in there, but that's okay because the wrinkles actually fall out. So I still have to get me one of those handheld steamers to try to get the wrinkles out of my drapes and my linen. But yeah, but this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. And now with the holidays are coming around, I'm working on trying to rearrange some of my furniture pieces just to make room for my Christmas trees and then my holiday decor. So with that being said, I moved this sofa table from out of my family room. I brought it into my room in here because just so I can have room in that area for my Christmas trees and things of that sort. So I'm going to start off by decorating that with this vase here. You guys have seen this vase before, but I just thought I'll add it in here. I just love the beautiful petals it has, flower petals it has on there with the creams and whites. And then I'm just going to add that lamp on there as well. And then for in here, I'm just going to add some, I want to keep it really simple and classic. So I'm just going to add some photos on here. I'm going to add just me and my husband's wedding picture and a picture of our children on there. And then I also went to Ross and I found this cute little metal heart that I thought would look adorable on a sofa table or end table or things of that sort. It was only $8.99, and I really love the texture that it adds to the space. So I'm just going to add that there. And then this is what the table is looking like so far, you guys. I really do love how it adds an additional element to the room, and it kind of breaks up a lot of the white and gray in here. So I thought that it looks really cute in the space. Now I am going to go ahead and decorate the bottom of the sofa table because it does have another space for decor at the bottom, and I'm going to use that just to kind of hide those cable cords and things like that at the bottom. So I'm going to add that second vase down there at the bottom, and then I'm just going to add another little silver figurine, not figurine, but another little silver vase next to it. And then here I'm just kind of playing around just to get the look that I want, and also to make sure that those cords are hidden or not being seen. So this is what it's looking like so far. Then to kind of balance out the space, I'm going to add in these decorative faux books as well. Now next I'm just going to go ahead and start styling my side table or my nightstands here. And I try not to put too much on there, but I do like to kind of dress it up a little bit to add a little bit of home decor, but also making sure that I keep it simple so it's not stuff that I'm not able to move out of the way and all of that if I need my table. So I found these beautiful little roses here at Ross, and they were I believe $10.99 at Ross. I just love that cream color that it has on there, and it kind of gives off that subtle fall vibe as well. So I thought that'll look cute on my nightstands. So I'm also going to add in this cute little decorative box that I found at Ross as well. It's like a mirrored box, but I thought that would be really cute to store like your jewelry, your wedding rings, or anything like that after you come home from work. You kind of just drop it in a box. So I thought that would look really cute there on the nightstand to kind of hold some of your little jewelry or things of that sort. And then also I'm just going to add in a nice little picture. Also, these lamps here, these are the lamps that I had in my living room before I switched it out to the newer ones. So I thought that I'd bring these in here because I love the shape of it, and they are, you know, really good lamps. So I thought it'll fit in this room, fit with the decor in this room a lot better. So this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. And now on the second nightstand on my husband's side, I'm just going to do the same thing. I like to try to balance out the room and make sure I'm symmetrical with decorating and everything. So I'm going to also add another one of those faux roses onto his side as well. And then I'm going to add on there a family photo as well too, just to kind of balance out the space. And then on his side, instead of adding a little decorative box, he just wanted like a little tray just to kind of sit his wallet, his ring, and keys in. So I thought that was cute. And then I had this little tray already. I think I got that from Ross too as well. I think it was like maybe $6.99 at Ross. So this is what his side is looking like, you guys. Now I did go ahead and add those little mirrors there above the head of the bed, just to kind of add a little bit of more decor and give it a balance out the space a little bit better. So now I'm just going to add in my bed, and I already had went and put my fitted sheets and everything on there. So now I'm just going to add in this all white quilt. I like using neutral white color, so that way I can bring in color with my pillows and my accessories and things like that. So that way I have a blank neutral palette to kind of start with for styling my bed. I love for my sheets and everything to be really nice and comfy. So these are like 100% cotton quilt comforters or quilts, and they are really soft. And it comes with it came with 2 shams. And they are like absolutely soft, you guys. I love the feel of these quilts. They're very soft, very neutral, and it gives the bed a very luxe look. Now I'm just going to put my everyday sleeping shams onto my pillows or whatever. I like to stack my the pillows that we sleep on behind the decorative pillows. That way they're kind of out of sight, out of mind. That way you're not visualizing or seeing the everyday pillow, but you see the decorative pillows in the front, and that kind of gives your bed a luxe look. Okay, now that I have all of my fitted sheets and everything on and my quilt on, now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my comforter. Now, be aware this comforter is a little wrinkled because I did just get done washing it in the washing machine and drying it, and it did come out a little bit wrinkled. So I'm not going to worry too much about it now because I am going to just fold it down to the foot of the bed, so you're not going to really see the wrinkles like that anyway, because you're going to mainly see the quilt that I have on the bed. But yeah, I love this comforter. I got this from Bath and Body Works, not Bath and Body Works, Bed Bath and Beyond, and I love how comfy it is. It's very, very super heavy and warm, so we usually just kind of have it at the foot of the bed because it's almost always too hot to kind of use it down here. So yeah, so it doesn't look too bad with the wrinkles. You can kind of still see it, but it's not bad because, like I said, I folded it down. You can barely kind of see the wrinkles on there. Next, I'm going to add in my faux fur Euro shams. These are so luxe and beautiful. These pillows here, I had these pillows from for a while now. I got these from Home Goods. I love how soft it is. It's just very soft and very as a luxe look to the room. Now for my fall color, I'm going to use this beautiful little these pillows here. These are, I believe, 24 by 24, and I got these from Home Goods. It has a velvet side and it has like a texture side. It comes off as looking brown in the camera, but it's actually almost like a gold color, so it's really cute. And so I'll give you guys a kind of a close-up so you can kind of see how it looks up close, because it does come off looking very brown on the camera, but it is more like a golden, kind of like a gold color. And then I love to give my pillows that karate chop because I think it adds a nice little luxe look to it. And yeah, so I end up getting 3 of these pillows to decorate style my bed with, and I love the way it looks, you guys. And then next I found this beautiful beaded pillow at Home Goods as well, and this actually does match the other 3 pillows to a T. I love the kind of gold color it has in there. This one has like a gold and silver color in there with a little bit of beading. So I'll give you guys a close-up so you can kind of see the detail in those pillows, but they look absolutely gorgeous, and it adds such a luxe look to the room. And this is kind of like what the room is looking like so far, you guys. I'm absolutely loving how open and airy everything look, and with a few simple changes, it can really change the whole look and style of a space. So I love just adding simple things and changing a few things out in the space, because it definitely will give your whole area or your whole space a different look. So I love that. And the color scheme definitely gives off that fall vibes, that warm and cozy kind of feel. And see, this is the pillow close up. See, it almost has a gold color to it, kind of like a gold and like a little brown to it. But they absolutely are gorgeous when you can see it up close in really good lighting. So I do apologize for the lighting because I am shooting this at night, so it's already dark. So it's kind of like a little bit of bad lighting in here. Okay, next I'm going to add in this nice fluffy throw. I just love using comfy throws around my house in different rooms. Y'all know that I have throws like in almost in every room there. They add such a luxe look to your space, and they're just comfortable to use when you're cuddling up on the couch, watching a movie, or just, having a nice cup of coffee or something like that. They're like so warm and so cozy. So this one is by Celebrity Home. I got this from Home Goods. Home Goods has like the best, not the best, but they have the most affordable throws that are like very, very, very good quality to me. And this one was only $29, and it looks like it came from like Z Gallery or something like that. But yeah, it's definitely a really good quality, and I love the luxe look that it adds to the room. So in this corner, I just have this little chair, or my chair that I always have here, and I'm just going to add a throw blanket to that as well. And I'm just going to add in my white throw blanket, this little white Nautica one that I have. And this one is also super soft as well, you guys. So like I said, I love throw blankets that are nice, cozy, and soft during the fall season, or any season really. It just adds such of a comfy look to your space. So I'm just going to drape this across the chair, and then I'm just going to add in a little lumbar pillow in here and just keep it really simple. Now I did give my Chase a little bit of an update. My husband ended up painting this white. It was gray previously, if you guys remember, so he ended up just painting this white so it can match the other what do you call it, nightstands in the room. And I'm absolutely loving how everything has turned out. So I just added these little decorative kind of cream and gold and brown boxes. Burning mahogany teak wood. It smells absolutely amazing. And then just added some little faux florals up there as well. So this is a look, you guys, and I'm absolutely loving the small simple changes that I did in the space, and it just absolutely looks really good. So I am happy with how everything has turned out. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my little bedroom refresh. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know how you like the new fall refresh for my bedroom. If you're not part of the family already, I would love to have you stay and subscribe. So make sure you click that little red button down below and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, I thank y'all all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.